Welcome to Learn to Learn, Drill 3, where we're going to be discussing here today Drill 3 on building a basic website. So to start out, we're wanting to set the stage, thus clearing the stage, making sure I have my Pomodoro timer set, I have my notes set, I have my workstation with everything I need, all the workstations, along with a rubric so I can make sure I'm dotting all my I's, crossing my T's. My post here, blog post for this particular exercise, along with the web page open, along with some of the links that I was using in order to better my web page here. The first thing that I had to wrestle with here is going to the bottom. There's no social media links there in the footer. But the code was the exact same. I copied the footer right over from the menu. I was looking through the inspector element, just trying to figure out what I was doing wrong before I went right back over to the code editor. I was looking at the text editor, trying to see stuff, just going between the menu and the index, and quickly I found that there's this really long link here in the head of the menu, and that was missing here in the index.html. So what I did was just copied it in the same way, right under the title, added that. We can take out that line there, resave, and let's see what happens when we go back home. Fixed. I was able to get those media links, pictures right on there. Going on to the second the struggle issue, that would be the validator. When I went to validate, this is the screen I saw. Went to see what the details were. Justify self doesn't exist. And I thought I read something about justify self here in CSS tricks, and in fact I did. I grabbed both pages, brought it up to Matt, my advisor, who then said not to worry about it, as grid is a fairly new item, probably not set up here on W3C for the validator as a valid syntax or whatever. One thing I was showing is, I'll show you here. Don't need that. Let's go to the inspector element. Just grab that here. Alright, H3, we don't need H3, we need section class. We'll just do section class here. If we take off justify self, that throws the items all the way to the left alignment. We don't want that, so we will keep that right here. And then the third and final thing that I was wrestling with is this restaurant here. Didn't really like the way it looked, especially without that shadow. It was kind of getting lost there. So what I ended up doing is going on Google, putting up CSS font border. Found it on Stack Overflow, where it showed me some code to add some border to stylize my text. From there, I was able to apply it, and look how much better that looks. That has some pretty cool implications, as I do want to use that in the future. Particularly, take a look at some of these articles and see if I can complete doing something where I can do an on-hover function that grows my text. So I learned a lot in this one just by being focused, along with persevering and getting all the information in a controlled and deliverable way without wasting any time, whether it be feeling sorry for myself or second guessing myself. I got the information I needed, asked a question, and got the answer that I was looking for and I can move forward with. So the next video you'll be seeing is probably going to be my recap from these first 5 weeks here at Galvanize. So I will see you then, and have a good day.